Welcome again to another 2-minute or less session of a Torah Thought. We all know the Ten Commandments. Most of the world knows that they were given. They actually were given to the Jewish people because the Jewish people assembled around the mountain and they received the Ten Commandments. And really, it was the first two commandments that they heard, and the others were given to Moshe to give over to the Jewish people because they had such awe and trepidation of the environment and ambiance that was taking place. So what had happened was God in his infamy gave over the first commandment. I am the Lord your God. He's speaking to the Jewish people who assembled around Mount Sinai. It's not speaking to the Goyim, to the Gentile. I am the Lord your God who brought you out of the land of Egypt. That teaches us that God involves himself in the day-to-day basis, and he actually brought the people out of the land of Egypt to be your God. So that is so important that we should realize that commandment and all the 10 commandments were given to the Jewish people to follow and to live by. Now the Gentiles and other people want to take that away and use them, but they really don't know how to understand them because we have the oral Bible which teaches us how we should conduct those teachings that we received at Mount Sinai, and Mishpatim. And the laws of between man and man were also given at that time. Thank you.